What's happening? This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got something interesting. It's from the US, I think, mostly. This is Star Anise Foods Vietnamese Pho Noodle Soup Bowl Creamy Coconut. So, yeah. So, and then a lid. I didn't meet the manufacturer of these folks a long time ago. They had like this really fancy boxed product that, honestly, the one thing that I didn't like about it was that it wasn't salty. It really was bland. But if you put salt in it and you put all the stuff that you would see with pho in it, like the vegetables and some meats, oh man, it was perfect. So basically what they do is they set it up so all you it kind of like what were those things called? They used to have these canisters and they were just called soup starter. That's it. And they had those for years. I don't know if they do anymore, but yeah, that was a thing. Anyways, check that out. Brown rice noodles. I'm very curious about these. There's that. And then we've got the goo. Make sure, I believe you put the goo in first. Let's see. Knead the packet, pull back lid, and empty over noodles. Pour hot water, cover for 3 minutes. Okay. Kneading. See? I told you guys. These folks know what they're talking about. You need these things because they separate or they'll get kind of clumpy. Through no fault of their own. It's just like the nature of fresh ingredients can do that. Which I'm guessing are in here because these guys are really into their it's vegan, it's happy, it's fun. So raw. That's chunky. Go. And let's go. There you go. Creamy coconut. Let me smell this. I'm not sure. I'm laughing because that's something my boy says all the time. He's like, I'm not sure. Alright, so there we are. We're going to cover it with. Let's just use the lid. And we need 3 minutes, so there we go. So I just got a phone call. As I mentioned last week, we got a new ride. It's a Honda Odyssey. It's cool. We really liked the one we had before. Anyways, it was, you go to the dealership, you deal with all this stuff on a lease, and it's just a pain in the ass. Well, the pain in the ass doesn't end when you walk out the door. So they call me up last week and basically want us to come in and re-sign all the documents because they made an error on the tax. Okay? How much was the error? I don't know if it was an error in our favor or in the state's favor. Really don't care. But it was a matter of 67 cents. Yeah, so that's irritating. And so I just talked to them. The guy was all, I'm gonna try to think outside the box here. It's like, don't strain yourself, buddy. And he said he's gonna think outside of the box. And actually came up with a really good solution, honestly. Not to diss on the guy, but we've got to go pick up the car because it had something done to it, and they're gonna have her sign the paperwork and then bring it over here, have me sign it, and then mail it back to him or something. So, but it's like they're all, you need to sign this, you need to sign this. It's like, dude, you guys screwed up. You're the ones who screwed up. And when you call me acting like, yeah, we need to get you in there to sign this paperwork, it's like, what incentive are you giving me to do it? None. So the place we go, unfortunately, is called Linwood Honda. And they run commercials all over the place in the Seattle area. And their tagline is Linwood Honda, experience the difference. It's like, I'm often wondering, God, they did some other stuff too in the past when we got a lease, and it was like, first month you don't have to pay it. Had auto pay. They charged us. They're like, oh, we're really, really sorry. I mean, so our bank didn't get mad. Because I mean, it was kind of a bad time. I had to like get a bunch of my stuff and hawk it. I mean, it was just like, they're like, oh, we're really sorry. Here's a gift card to this restaurant. And we go to the restaurant and we got in an argument. I mean, it's like, they didn't know that would happen, but it's just like, so anyways, that's kind of the main theme of the day. It's like, dude, really? Okay. So we have 3 minutes. Very curious about the hydration level of these. I mean, it's basically like curvy rice stick, right? Oh, there's no way that these are gonna be done. I really have my doubts. Let's try. No, not even. Not even remotely close. Yeah, ready in 3 minutes. I would think maybe it needs another 3 minutes. To be honest, that's what I'm gonna give it. Because it is so not done. The noodle is like literally half done. I'm chewing it, and pieces are getting stuck in my teeth because they're not done. So, 3 minutes is what you do with fried noodles or rice vermicelli. This, it's not ready. Try another bite. Whoops. Yeah. Maybe I just got a bad piece, but we'll see. A little better. Maybe the stirring helped. But I will say, creamy coconut. Yeah. That's a bummer. I was really hoping I had good thoughts. It won't get a 0, that's for sure, but it's not going to get a good score. The noodles, if they were in something else, I'd like them more. The broth is actually very oily. I did not expect that. But it's very... This is one of those things that I've got to like try like 10 times to really get a good. There's just not enough there. Let's really give it a stir. Maybe it's settled. There's got to be more flavor to it than that. Please. Nope. First one today. I'm trying to do 3 today, which is kind of, yeah. Not my usual thing to do 3 reviews. I honestly like the way it looks. I'll give it that. But fried onion. Do I even want to? I'm not putting an egg in this. Fried onion. I would say maybe some soy sauce would do this right. But in its current form, honestly, I found this at Walmart, and it was when I used to see it more often, it was like close to $4 a cup. When I got it at Walmart, it was 50 cents. So I think it's probably getting, would be my thought. Do we want some seeds? Yeah, let's do some light ones. Do a little bit of contrast here. Do some contrast, yeah! And I think that's about as much energy as I want to put into this one. Really sorry. Nice people. Maybe it's a flavor profile that some people really like. That's cool if it is, but me personally, it's just not doing it. And this tripod really is not doing it these days either. Right there. Okay, new song. All right, well, it was worth a try. interesting stuff. And hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one and bye.